To grow on TikTok is very, very, very easy. I'm about to break down to you exactly what I would do. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make dopamine videos. Now people ask me all the time, what the fuck is a dopamine video? And a dopamine video simply is a video that literally it's an effect or something that's happening every 1 to 2 seconds. If you guys go look on my main page, Prince Machiavelli, all of those videos are high dopamine edits, right? There's always something going on. So I will be sitting there telling my brand story, telling people what we about, what's my mission for this brand, making the storytelling so beautiful, but such an eye-catching video to where the algorithm is gonna start pushing it out in my favor for me. And like I said, I'm not putting nothing in the caption besides a few hashtags that's directly aimed toward the customer that I'm trying to get my brand in front of. And that is how I will go viral on TikTok, and y'all gonna see me go viral on this page as well. So if you guys want to see some more clothing brand advice and listen to some more daily game, follow this page. See you on the next video. Machiavelli is out.